everyone? Truck CB Sales here with a temp report on the Anytone Quad 6 for Jacob in Texas. Jacob, we got you ready to go, bud. Our standard tune alignment. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. That's right, we got you set about 2 watts all the way down. Roll it all the way up. 20 watts. Show you average power swing. Hello, 50 watts in the corner. 100 watt slug PEP. Hello, 1, 2. Hello, 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 hello. Right on 100 watts. Roll it all the way down. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, hello. Still 100 watts. Sideband. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. Audio, audio. About 75 all the way down. Roll it up. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, 100 watts. All right, Jacob, it's ready to come to the bighorn. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.
And we're back, just when I thought I was done. Jacob seen the video, called me and reminded me that later on, after he made the purchase, he went ahead and decided to upgrade to the full Truckerized tune. Hey, we did just that. Try to put all your order together on the same order whenever you get ready to order something. It makes it a whole lot easier to remember everything. You gotta think I'm working 10-15 radios a day sometimes. Makes it really hard to remember everything, but we've got a Jacob all fixed up. We're gonna start with the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug, 2 watts. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a PEP from 2 watt carrier. Hello, 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 125. Let's roll it all the way up. 20 watts. Show you average power swing. Hello, whoa. 70 bird. Hello, 1, 2, hello, 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 hello. Still 125. All right, Jacob, your Truckerized radio's ready to go. That's going to consist of the ERF 2030 Plus MOSFET upgrade, as well as the electrolytic capacitor upgrades, as well as the voltage regulator upgrades, widebanding of the transmit and receiver upgrades, and you're going to get an adapter and a 636 mic, a static noise canceling to run with this if you choose to do so. Jacob, appreciate you. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You've been Truckerized. Bump, bump.